I forgot to fill up, so I think this is another challenge for the day, making it to the petrol station.
Will we make it? Who knows? What's up guys, I'm Jordan.
This is Dylan, and we
Yes.
are currently at the Sterkfontein Caves.
That's true. We are Bug Guts for those of you checking in. Thanks for stopping by for another episode. If you are new, and if not, well then, welcome to the channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and support us so we can do more cool stuff like this.
Check all of this out. Ooh. Oh!
This is inside the waiting area. You can check out some of the exhibits. We're actually going to go into the caves now. That's kind of like the main thing here. But yeah. Beautiful. That's the excavation site. It's actually a live excavation site, which is pretty cool. There's Dylan. We've just come out from the tour. Get to walk around and look at this beautiful, beautiful landscape. Almost looks like the South African version of the Windows home screen or something. What's up, Dylan?
Hey, what's going on?
How are you?
I am good.
That's
Just came
awesome.
out the cave.
Awesome. And what's in there?
There was rocks, a few fossils. What's that stuff called? The thing with an S?
Silica.
Silica.
There we go.
There was also some silica in the
Yeah.
caves, which I thought was quite thick.
It's so unassuming. You would never think that there's like a huge framework of caves underneath here, and you get under there and just the sheer magnitude of like these cave ceilings, it's ginormous. Yeah, also like Dylan mentioned, the silica, it's quite cool to see. It's basically like glass almost. It's sharp, it's crystallized, and it's quite fascinating. What's the most standout thing for you about the caves today?
I think just the size of it.
Wrong side. Yeah?
I think just the size of the cave, like it's so cool. Yeah, I think also when we first went in, what was so cool is like there was a hole on the top of the cave there going to the outside, and there was like a beam of light, like when you looked up. And again, just the height of the ceilings of it, it's so sick. Like it really gives you like Jurassic World type of views in here. It's really cool, really sick.
I definitely think though, for some of the more claustrophobic people, you would need to just be careful, because there are some places where you don't have to get on your stomach to crawl. Like you could sit on your bum and scooch through, or even like get on your haunches and waddle through, but
Yeah, you never had to like squeeze through.
nah,
Just a bit of crouching.
basically. So what's the downside of today?
Yeah, so unfortunately we weren't allowed to take any videos. Would have loved to have recorded, but rules are rules.
one of the reasons why they don't want videos, kind of there's no point in you guys coming to check this place out if you've already seen it all. But that being said, even though you see pictures, it doesn't do it any justice.
Yeah,
You've got to get underground. You've got to just feel just the feeling of being in this chasm in the earth. It's an awesome feeling. So definitely make your way to this side.
Yeah. Another thing, I forgot to fill up, so
Not forgot, we were a bit under pressure for time
yeah, so,
because of Dylan's anxiety.
yeah, so I might be out of juice. So I think this is another challenge for the day, making it to the petrol station.
Will we make it? Who knows?
All right. Now let's see if we can make it to a petrol station. Sure, guys, definitely if ever you find yourself in these areas, I 100% recommend coming to these caves, man. It's such an experience. And the tour guide, I mean, yes, that guy was so friendly. They definitely made it worth it. Ah, there you go. There's the petrol light. Yeah, Dylan is getting the fuel for the bike.